Hey, what's going on, people? It's Yug with Crypto Gems, and today we'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll see what it is and where it can go in the future. Check out the links in the description box. However, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Let's get into it. So, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonymous person or team who outlined the technology in 2008 white paper. It is an appealingly simple concept. Bitcoin is digital money that allows for secure peer-to-peer transactions or on the internet. So unlike Venmo and PayPal and other internet services like that, Bitcoin is fully decentralized. So it doesn't rely on any traditional financial system, and any two people anywhere in the world can send Bitcoin to each other without the involvement of a bank, government, or institution. Every transaction involving Bitcoin is tracked on the blockchain, which is similar to bank's ledger or log of customers' funds going in and out of the bank. In simple terms, it's a record of every transaction ever made using Bitcoin. And unlike bank's ledger, the Bitcoin blockchain is distributed across the entire network. No company, country, or third party is in the control of it, and anyone can become a part of it. There will only be 21 million Bitcoin, so the supply is really limited, and this is a digital money that cannot be inflated or manipulated in any way. It isn't necessary to buy an entire Bitcoin. You can buy just a fraction of one if that's all you want. So basically, Bitcoin uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or banks. Managing transactions and issuing of Bitcoins is carried out collectively by the network. Bitcoin is open source, its design is public, nobody owns or controls Bitcoin, and everyone can take part. Through many of its unique properties, Bitcoin allows exciting uses that could not be covered by any previous payment system, which are fast peer-to-peer transactions, worldwide payments, and low processing fees. Now let's talk about the tokenomics of Bitcoin. I'm on coinmarketcap.com right now, and here, as we all know, Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency in the world, and it's priced at around $42,577 US. Its market cap is $805 billion, and fully diluted market cap is $894 billion. The volume is $25 billion every 24 hours, and maximum supply is 21 million. So 18.9 million are already circulating right now, and rest are left to mine. Now let's talk about the technical analysis of Bitcoin. Recently, Bitcoin touched all-time highs at around 70,000, and then we had a pretty nice pullback. And right now it's sitting at around this support level, which is around 39,000. Now, if it wants to go back up again, it has to break this upper trend line. That's how it can make new highs. And as you can see, if it breaks above this, all three moving averages, it can make new highs. Now, let's take a look at in weekly chart. Same thing, around the support level, it has to break above this 20-day weekly moving average to make all-time highs. And after it does that, let's see how high it can go. We're using Fibonacci extensions for that. So if it breaks to the upside, the next all-time high target would be around 79,000, and then after that it would be 100K. So that is it for now. Today we learned about Bitcoin and saw some technical analysis on Bitcoin for 2022. Please check out the links in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for being here. Take care.